Happy New Year, everybody! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ariola, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. If you've not subscribed, subscribe right now. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, please now subscribe. Please subscribe, guys, and watch my other videos. Thank you. So today we're going to be doing a very cheap product makeup. Like what I mean is, I'm going to be using cheap products to do my makeup. So guys, let's get started. And also I'm going to be styling old braids. So something like this, I'm going to be styling it, how you can make it cute. This is it when I finish putting the edge control on it, and soon I'm going to go do my face makeup. So guys, we're moving to the makeup proper. I use powder, white powder on my face as a primer, and it works, guys. It works well. But you put a little bit too much, because I have oily skin. So guys, I go over it with, with some setting powder. This is benign setting powder. I use a lot of powder because I have oily skin. So I put it on the high area of my face, on my forehead especially, and on my chin. Then I just rub it down. So the next thing I do is go over my face with my foundation. This is high definition foundation, the classic, the HD foundation, that, and this color 4. So just go over my face with it. So guys, I went off camera to finish putting my foundation, and this foundation is very good for its price. Like, it's just 1,500 naira. This HD classic foundation, 12 hours. So this is just me trying to go through all the areas. It's very flawless for the price, though there are better foundations, but they are more expensive, guys. They are more expensive. This is just 1,500 naira, and it has this much coverage, which is fine. So I'm going to go over with this Pro Concealer High Definition Concealer. This is it. I think everybody knows this concealer. It's very good. It's also 1,500 naira, and it works just exactly for its price. I don't like to put too much concealer, guys. I just put a little to cover my under eye. I'm not really covering much things because I think my face is very nice. I just put it on my nose, down to my chin, just a little bit, then on my forehead. I have a big forehead, so I really don't like to make it go up. I'm going to have to go with the darker concealer to be able to conceal my face, to make the forehead a little bit smaller. So that's why I go. This is in the shade Warm Honey. So I'll go in with this darker shade, which is Dark Cocoa. I'll be going in, and I'll go through on my cheeks, just like this. My cheek, my high cheekbone, you can see that. Then I go over my forehead, just make it a little bit smaller. We are the forehead gang, guys. When I was little, they used to tease me with my forehead, and when they say that, I'll start crying. I never knew it's supposed to be this cute, you know. But now that I know, if you like see anything about my forehead, I love it. So let me just blend the darker one. I'm going to be back. And for those of you that might be asking how I blend, this is the way I blend. I don't drag, I just bounce on it like this. This has a really good finishing for the price. So right now I'm going to go in with this sponge and this beauty blender, and I'm going to bounce around the highlighted areas. I'm going to start with the chin.
Exclusive from justniger.com.
So I think we are almost done with the face. Right now I'm going to go in again with the benign setting powder. So I just put a little bit on my hand.
It's Silas, the marvelous producer.
So this is it for the highlighting and everything. I'm going to move over to the eyeshadow and the brows, and I'll come back to the face to finish the look. You guys can see my face is chiseled right now. It's like I'm having this triangular chin. You know, I've changed my face. I think I have an oval face, but right now it's looking like a sweetheart face. Just look at it. You see? Love face. Can you see? So that's just the, and these are cheap products that can give you this type of look. So then I'm going to move to the eyebrows. The first thing I do is I just brush my eyebrows up, my natural brows. I brush it up, and I just follow the shape. I start from the center. I go in like this.
It's Silas, the marvelous producer.
Can you see that? Just little by little. Then I move here. And that is it for the down part. You can see. Then I go over the top. I start from the center. Just go like this. Make sure your pencil is pointed. The tip of your pencil is pointed so you can get the accurate whatever. And that is it, guys. Can you see? Can you just see that? Oh my god! So if I want to fill in the eyebrows, guys, I go in with this same Davis but in the color 18. So I just go in and fill in my brows. This is because this is a little bit lighter. It's a little bit lighter. I don't like to use it for my entire brows. I just use it to fill in. It makes it finer, I think. And I do the same thing for this side. If you're at the beginning of your brows, you just try to make it go up like this. Just try it up. When you get to the middle, to the end, you just shade it in like this. And right now, if you see, this beginning looks like block shaped eyebrows, which I don't like. So I'm just going to take my brush and I'll just brush it out. Can you see that, guys? Then I'm going to go in with my concealer. I mix the shade of my concealer. I mix this one that I say it is an warm honey. I mix it with that chocolate cocoa. What is it called? I use this pro concealer very well because it's actually very good, guys. It's actually very good. Forget about the price. Even the price, 1.5, it's not as if it's that cheap. But there are some concealers that I love, like Zickel concealer. Oh my god. Oh my. So I'm using this pencil from Bobbi Brown. I say pencil. This brush from my Bobbi Brown collection. So I just go in like this. I still start this from the center, not from the beginning. I start from the center. Oh, I'm so obsessed with these brows. So I just go in like this. And I'll do the same thing for this side. Guys, I'll just go. This is everything about the eye. I'm done. Can I move closer? I hope you guys can see it. So that is it. I'm going to go ahead and put some eyelashes and eyeliner, everything off camera. Then I'll be back to finish the face, and that will be all, guys. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm back, but unfortunately I didn't get my eyelash. You know, I told you guys I traveled and someone else reorganized my room and she doesn't even know where she kept it. She doesn't know where she kept some things. I just noticed that I can't even find some things. So I just continued like I applied my mascara and my eyes is popping. I have a little bit of long lash anyways. So I'll just continue by going through to my powder, my contour, and I'll put my bronzer on, and that will be all for this video, guys. I can't remember the name of this powder palette, but I know it's one cheap powder like that. So this is my contour. I use this powder as my contour because it's darker than my skin. I just go in like this and I tap. You know, I've already added the when you are going in with your contour, you have to go up in this direction because you're trying to snatch your face. You cannot, let me just show you guys, you cannot come down like that and continue doing that. You're not snatching your face, you have to go up, up. You're trying to make your face like this. Do you get that? So right now go in the circular motion. Now I move to the highlighting. I use this brush, this thick brush. It's still from the Bobbi Brown 32 sets brush, and I just dig in to this powder, and I don't like to move my powder. I like to just tap it in like this. So this is what you do. You bring your brush mouth together like this, so you can make, so it can be precise.
Exclusive from justniger.com.
Don't forget your neck, guys. Don't ever forget your neck and your ears.
It's Silas, the marvelous producer.
Today I'm not really particular about the lipstick, so I'll just go in very fast out of the camera and I'll just do my lip, because this is the product I usually use my lip. I use any type of product. Once I buy it once and it's nice, I just continue to buy it. That is it. So I'll be right back, guys. Before I go, can you see the shape of my face has changed? I'm a born makeup artist. So now this is the lip. Now I'll just be putting a little bit of highlighter. I'll be using these two brushes, this and this. So I'll just
It's Silas, the marvelous producer.
let me put on my earrings and finish this look. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Tell me what else you'd love to see on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe, please. See you guys, bye, and happy new year, guys.